Excuse me, where is the milk?
It's in aisle 3.
Thank you. Is it fresh today?
Yes, it arrived this morning.
Great. I also need eggs.
They're next to the milk.
Perfect.
Anything else you need?
No, that's all.
Have a nice day.
Is this bus going downtown?
Yes, it is.
Do you know the schedule?
It comes every 15 minutes.
That's good to know.
Are you going to work?
Yes, I'm running late.
Don't worry, it's coming soon.
Thanks for the help.
No problem. Hello, can you take me to Main Street?
Sure, please get in.
How long will it take?
About 15 minutes.
Sounds good.
Do you want the fast route?
Yes, please.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hi, I'd like to pay for this.
Sure, cash or card?
Card, please.
Please insert your card.
Done.
Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Hi, may I see the menu?
Of course. Here you go.
What do you recommend?
The chicken pasta is popular.
I'll take that.
Would you like a drink?
Water, please.
Anything else?
That's all.
Great choice.
Hello, is this for me?
Yes, are you David?
Yes, that's me.
Please sign here.
Sure.
Here's your package.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Goodbye.
Excuse me, may I ask something?
Sure, go ahead.
Where is the nearest ATM?
It's across the street.
Is it far?
No, just 2 minutes away.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Hi, I'm your new neighbor.
Nice to meet you.
I just moved in yesterday.
Welcome to the building.
It's very quiet here.
Yes, everyone is friendly.
That's good to hear.
Let me know if you need help.
I will, thanks.
Anytime.
Excuse me, may I sit here?
Of course, go ahead.
Thank you.
No problem.
Is it okay if I use my phone?
That's fine.
I won't be loud.
I appreciate that.
Thanks again.
You're welcome.
I have a small problem.
What happened?
My phone won't turn on.
Did you charge it?
Yes, but it's still dead.
Try restarting it.
Okay, I'll try now.
Did it work?
Yes, it did.
Great.